Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi, welcome to Battle of the Stitches. We are on the reveal week of September 2025, and I'm happy to be back in this room. If you haven't been following me, I had knee surgery and then I had a setback and I needed to go back into the hospital, and now I'm moving around slightly better, but I came over here on my walker, using my walker, and so I don't have everything that I would typically have available to me in this video. So I don't have the book that we're working from. Please make sure you watch the other creators' channels so that you can see all of the details from them. I have them listed in my description, so make sure you check them out. This is a collab that Teresa from Critters Crochet and I are doing, and every month we do a new stitch from a book that we're working through. Check out Teresa's channel. She'll show you the book. I don't have it with me. I had it in my bedroom while I was recovering, and I wasn't able to bring it over here with my walker. So, check her out. And what we do is we find 2 other people to compete with us each month, up to, sometimes we don't always find 2 people, but if you're interested in joining us, please let us know. We would love to have you compete with us. And it's a friendly competition. There's no prizes for the creator who gets the most votes. It's just all for fun, to see what everybody likes. We're all winners because we came up with our own design. So we show the stitch, we do a sneak peek of the project we're making with it. We're making unique projects. It's not something that we found a pattern for in a book or online or anything like that. And then we show what we've made, which is this week, and I'll show you in a minute. And then we also open up voting polls today, and I will have a voting poll listed in my community tab. So make sure you go there and you vote for the project that you liked the best out of all of ours. And then next week we'll do a live and we'll reveal which project got the most votes. If you left a comment in the voting section, just voting isn't enough, because if you just vote, all we see is the numbers. We don't see who voted. But if you leave a comment in the voting poll, we'll enter you into a giveaway for the project of your choice. It could be any one of the 4 of ours. So what I made was a baby hat, and you could see the Easy Mock Bobble around here, and then I did like a little flower design across here, and then I ended it with the mock bobble stitch here. I do have like a little baby doll that I can model it on, but I'm not able to get to it yet. So I couldn't show you with it modeled on the baby doll. I just put some yarn in the middle so to make it easier to see the stitches. So that was my project. This would really be fun to give to somebody at a baby shower or something. I have a tutorial up if you wanted to make your own. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being patient with me as I'm working through getting healthier, and I want to be able to put out more content. So hopefully in the next few weeks as I'm healing, I'll be able to see you guys more and have more content for you. Have a great day. Bye.